So we should talk about the data exporting and stuff. So like, how has your export process been after the job is done and you have all the data points?
Yeah, so in the GeoMeasure app, you can export the data with CSV or GeoJSON or internal file format, but I usually just use GeoJSON. What I'll do is I'll export it to GeoJSON, transfer that file to my computer, and then I'll import that file into a software called QGIS. And QGIS is a software that I use basically every day to manipulate geospatial data, like make new points, draw lines, stuff like that, or like translate points, do all sorts of processing. So
yeah, like find the midpoint.
Right, yeah. Stuff. Or like, for example, you have a polygon and you want to figure out the area of the polygon, and then you can do that easily. It's basically like a geospatial data toolbox, basically. So I'll import it in QGIS. And like, for example, I was mapping out the points of the trees the other weekend. What I would do is I would map where I want each tree in QGIS, and then I would export that back to GeoJSON, and then import that GeoJSON into the GeoMeasure app, and then I would be able to basically see exactly where to put the trees when I go out to the field next time.
Sounds pretty seamless.
Yeah, it would be nice, like if there was a integration with the QGIS software itself, it would be more seamless, but this is, as long as you guys have GeoJSON import and export, because there are other geospatial tools, not only QGIS, so GeoJSON is a very popular interchange format that most software supports, so yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, in the future, potentially like integrations with other types of platforms or even more like export types. We basically just want to make it as accessible and as easy to use as possible, just worldwide.
GEODNET. Mind the sky.